When it comes to upgrading or replacing the doors in your home, professional installation can make all the difference. Whether you're considering a new front door for enhanced curb appeal or upgrading your patio doors to improve energy efficiency, having a professional handle the installation offers numerous benefits that can save you time, money, and hassle in the long run. For homeowners in Little Rock, where weather conditions can vary and energy efficiency is a growing concern, hiring a professional for residential door installation is an investment that pays off in more ways than one. Below, we explore the key benefits of opting for professional door installation services. Precise and secure installation. One of the most important reasons to choose professional door installation is to ensure that your door is fitted correctly and securely. A poorly installed door can lead to a host of issues, from drafts and air leaks to compromised security. Doors that don't close properly or sit unevenly in their frames can allow cold or hot air to infiltrate your home, leading to higher energy bills and discomfort. Professional installers have the experience and tools necessary to ensure a precise fit. They measure and align the door perfectly within its frame, ensuring that it opens and closes smoothly without gaps or misalignment. This is particularly important in areas like Little Rock, where weather conditions, including heat and humidity, can cause materials to expand or warp if not installed correctly. Improved energy efficiency. Little Rock's hot summers and mild winters mean that homeowners need to pay special attention to the energy efficiency of their homes. Doors are one of the main areas where heat can enter or escape, making them a critical component in maintaining energy efficiency. If your door isn't installed properly, it can cause drafts that make your HVAC system work harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Professional door installers understand how to maximize the energy efficiency of your doors. They ensure that your door is tightly sealed and use the appropriate weather stripping and insulation to prevent drafts. This can lead to significant savings on your energy bills by keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Many homeowners see an immediate difference in their heating and cooling costs after having doors professionally installed. Enhanced home security. Your home's doors are its first line of defense against intruders, so proper installation is crucial for security. A professionally installed door offers a secure, tight fit within the frame, minimizing the risk of forced entry. Installers also ensure that locks, deadbolts, and hardware are installed correctly to enhance the door's security features. Additionally, professional installers are familiar with high-quality door materials and locking mechanisms that add an extra layer of protection to your home. Whether you're installing a solid wood front door or a sliding patio door with reinforced glass, professional installation ensures that the door not only looks great but also keeps your home safe and secure. Expert advice on door selection. Choosing the right door for your home involves more than just picking a style you like. You'll also need to consider materials, insulation properties, security features, and how the door will hold up to Little Rock's climate. Professional installers bring years of expertise to the table, helping you choose the best door for your specific needs. For instance, if you live in a part of Little Rock that experiences heavy rainfall or high humidity, your installer might recommend materials like fiberglass or steel that resist warping and moisture damage. They can also suggest energy-efficient options like doors with insulated cores or low-E glass panels, which can help reduce energy loss. Long-term cost savings. While professional door installation may seem like an additional expense, it can actually save you money in the long run. Improperly installed doors can lead to costly issues such as water damage, energy inefficiency, and the need for frequent repairs. A professional installation ensures that your door is installed correctly the first time, reducing the risk of these problems. Additionally, many professional installers offer warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind knowing that if any issues arise, they'll be addressed without additional cost to you. This warranty coverage is a significant advantage over DIY installations, where mistakes can end up costing more to fix than the original installation. Increased property value and curb appeal. A well-installed door can dramatically enhance the look of your home, improving curb appeal and increasing property value. Whether you're installing a stylish new front door to make a great first impression or upgrading your back doors to make your outdoor spaces more accessible, professional installation ensures that the finished product looks clean, polished, and high quality. Prospective buyers in Little Rock will appreciate the attention to detail, the added energy efficiency, and the enhanced security that come with a professionally installed door. This can be a selling point if you decide to put your home on the market, potentially increasing your home's resale value. Investing in professional residential door installation offers a host of benefits for Little Rock homeowners. From ensuring a secure, weather-tight fit to boosting energy efficiency and enhancing your home's security, professional installation guarantees that your new doors perform as expected and look great. By choosing professional installation, you're not only ensuring a higher quality finish but also saving time, reducing long-term repair costs, and improving the comfort and value of your home. Whether you're upgrading your front door or installing sliding glass doors, the expertise and precision of a professional installer can make all the difference in creating a beautiful, efficient, and secure home.